On the topic brochures and Gantt chart. Before this, I want to thank our subject teacher, Mr. Rashid sir, for providing us this opportunity. So, without taking time, I want to move towards my topic. First is brochure. A brochure is a corporate marketing instrument to promote a product or services. It is a tool which is used to circulate information about a product or services. This is usually used by a businessman to advertise its key product or services. Here we have some importance of brochures. First is it is budget friendly and it is also easy to distribute and it is also known as the promotional tools, where brochure helps to attract more customers towards your brand name, whereas it brings creativity, which is where well-designed brochures highlights the objectives, values and purpose of a company in a credible manner, and it is easy to read.
Easy to read. What is this summer holiday package? Mountain, hiking, camping.
Where we can do camping, mountain, hiking.
Not bungee jumping?
And various unlimited.
Only rafting and canoeing. Okay.
Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a horizontal bar chart which is used in project management to usually represent a project plan over a time. Gantt chart typically show you the timeline and status as well as who is responsible for each task in a project. Importance of Gantt chart.
You copied whatever I gave you in your note, right? That Gantt chart. You were asked to make minimum 10 overheads or 10 tasks. I told you to copy paste, but I didn't say to put just 5 elements. I told you minimum 10. Yes. Most of the students have put 10 elements, 10 tasks. So some marks will be targeted here, okay? You have to consider this.
Only 0.5. So
0.5 din one bhako.
Okay, please carry on.
Importance of Gantt chart. Gantt chart is really important for the team collaboration, where Gantt chart helps project team to collaborate on the project and help bring everyone on a single page. It is important for as task management. It will be easy to manage tasks with the help of Gantt chart. Management of resources. With the help of Gantt chart, project manager can easily assign tasks and different roles. Project requirements are clear with Gantt charts. It helps to clear better module and enables team members for better understanding. Team communication. It helps to communicate and collaborate with team. Improve time management and easily manage teams and enable flexibility. Maintains a balance with multiple projects. Thank you.
Okay.